What's going on, Security Ninjas? Samuel here, and I like to hack things. Today's going to be a super quick video. I just wanted to say congratulations to Lauren for winning the Blue Team giveaway. You've won yourself a copy of the Blue Team Field Manual. I just wanted to say thank you very much to each and every one of you that entered this giveaway. I know that you wanted to win this book quite badly. It's honestly one of my favorite books, so check out the link in the description below to get a copy yourself. Maybe in the future when I do a blue team or kind of a blue side of the house path to security, maybe I'll give away another one of those. So if you're interested in that, please let me know in the comments down below. So for the next video, I'll be covering the offensive side of security. So the certifications that go along with that, just like you saw in the blue team video. And what's really cool is that video is actually going to be sponsored by these guys. So make sure you check out that video. I'll be releasing it here in a few days. All right, Security Ninjas, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.